Oh, they haven't got 98. What is it, 166? Might as well all get fuel. Yeah. Oh, it's warm in the sun now. Jeez. Clean my windscreen.
No, I don't do that service.
Gotta laugh. How many litres you take? Hey?
Put something.
I will, yeah. I mean, I got another 100 k's worth, but if I do want to go whoop whoop or whatever, I don't have to worry about it. Hey Rob, do you want to move yours? I'll pull up next to that and... So you got to reset, you have to reset it?
Yeah, lift it up.
Yep.
That gets stuck in there.
No worries. .3 litres. Oh.
12.25. 10 slow, sorry.
Awesome, thank you. So you guys, which way are you guys going?
Oh, you guys, aren't you? Yeah. I mean, if worse comes to worse, we can always turn off somewhere down when we get down near the Gorge Road or whatever. You're going to go bush bashing, are you?
No.
I mean, that's
Not on that bike.
Yeah, that way you can go back via Angaston. You're down to Angaston if you want to go back a different way. We're in that same spot.
Okay, let's go that way then. Alright. Go to the ferry then, yeah? Yep.
All this stopping is getting me hot. Fucking hot, yeah.
Mm.
Jacket off, I've got my phone goes off still.
Still. Go and strip them off, mate. Still give us a bit of a floor show, middle of the road.
You really don't want to look. I've seen many a girl blush with the size of his ball bag. Looks like a cow, mate.
You singing?
Hey?
You singing?
So which way are we going now?
Oh, it's fucking loud enough.
Hey?
Loud enough. Yeah, it's loud enough. Let you lead, mate. You want to lead? Yeah, I don't really know this way, so you've done it before.
I've got to work out how to pause the music instead of turn it down.
Your arsehole must be sweating, mate. Mine is. Fucking this jacket's way too warm.
Yeah, I took the other one off and put it in.
go, crossed the Murray. So had a nice lunch, went and had a refuel, and crossed the ferry. We decided at the bottom of the street there where the refuel was that we'd go right and go across the river to Angaston. And I said to David, you know, you might as well leave, mate, because I'd been this way before. And I'll tell you what, mate, there's some nice roads, good surfaces. Very happy with the surfaces. Obviously we weren't fast enough for the Mercedes-Benz crew, but anyhow, mate, you get a lot of wind on a motorcycle, so you know, and there was a strong headwind, mind you, and I really hate wind. But yeah, it's a nice place around here, mate. You got a lot of open fields, nice old houses, old buildings like this one. I love this one, man. It's like out of a western or something, you know. Yeah, I'd really like to stop and take photos of some of these old buildings and the old architecture around here. It's really good. Out here along the Stott Highway, and it's a really good road too. I quite enjoy this road. Nice sweeping bends, and as you get up towards the mountain range, or it's not really mountains, but you know, the range ahead, they do twist and turn, so it becomes quite interesting. Out in the front, we've got David on the XJ900 Yamaha, with Sean following him on his Royal Enfield Himalayan, and then Rob on his Hoya Stung Aquila 650, myself on the Triumph America. Behind me there's Glenn on his Harley Davidson, and Werner's also on a Himalayan. But yeah, these are really nice roads. I really want to come back here again and do this one a little bit quicker. I think that, you know, I mean, it's nice to see the scenery, don't get me wrong, but it just feels good to go a little bit quicker, just to get the adrenaline up and, you know, have a good go at it. The road surface is very good, so as you can see, it's pretty pristine. For a lot of South Australian roads, this one is one of the better ones, especially out in the country. So yeah, there's lots of twists and turns. But you know, we're only sitting on about 70, 80, something like that. There's a few corners marked, you know, 50 odd, whatever. Obviously we could take it quicker, but you know, it's all good. So we're listening to a tune of mine that I did a collaboration with my mate Stefan. So he sort of came up with the intro riff, and we built upon that. And he too does ride, although at the moment he is an Uber pimp. So he's out there pimping his black Nissan van, picking up drunken ladies, taking them to wineries and all that sort of thing, you know. So, but he's just had his bike serviced. He had some fork leaking issues, leaking all over his brake rotor on the front there, and I think he's got that all sorted now. So we're just waiting to get his ass out here on a ride.